Myself is Professor Arun Kumar Thakur, Professor of Pediatrics and ex-HOD, Nalanda Medical College, Patna. It's a college in Bihar, in Patna. It's a government medical college situated in Patna, and I had been working there almost for the last 20 years. Before that, I was in Patna Medical College as assistant professor. Thereafter, I was promoted and shifted to associate professor, Nalanda Medical College, Department of Pediatrics. When I took over the charge of pediatrics as professor and head, I made a sea change in the department. My aim and objective was very simple. I wanted to reduce the neonatal mortality rate, because if you go to the IMR, infant mortality rate, so out of 42, it is almost 28 or 29 is neonatal mortality rate. So, unless otherwise we come to neonatal age and try to reduce the age, reduce the mortality of neonatal period, we are not able to receive or to reach our goal of what MGR were proposed. So, my aim had been throughout the life to improve the neonatal care in Bihar as well as infant nutrition in Bihar. I paid my attention to the teaching in the medical college. When I joined the medical college, it was only the undergraduate study. I tried my best to put on the records, to request to the government to have the optimum number of the faculties and the facilities, so that it can be upgraded to the postgraduate level. And during my period, we got our postgraduate level in pediatrics, and now we are doing so well. So, it is the place where I work still after my retirement, when I was requested by the government to come and to join as professor on contract for 3 years. I happily joined, because I made that institution right from the grass to the high level. So, I thought that if I could be there, probably I could be providing more inputs. So, just my aim is about the child care, the infant nutrition particularly, about the breastfeeding, about the complementary feeding, and about the general parenting of the babies. You know, a lot of the problem which we are developing. Even our president of IMA is putting so much of time on telling all the doctors in Bihar, in all of the over India, about the vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is so common in children that my president equally rightly he has just raised this point, and we are parenting about to the parents about the use of vitamin D, the maintenance dosage, and the use of the sun. So, just my simple aim is, if I have got this about, because I had been working in the IMA say for the last almost over 30 years. I was in Bihar as a secretary, as a president, state president, a state secretary. Then I became the national executive secretary of IMA AK Sinha Institute. During my period, KK was the chairman of that this, and we just revised many courses because of the excellency of KK and myself. We did so well. So, my message to the younger people is nothing in the world that you can achieve without hard work and dedication and concern. If you make a goal in your life that I have to do it, like Arjun, who has to throw his arrow to put his arrows burn into the eyes of that bird. So, that is like that. So, it is nothing like that. So,